And this is news coming in. This is with respect to vacancy in tribunals, and the Supreme Court once again bringing up the issue, saying that why our recommendations have not yet been accepted. Centre says that have power not to accept recommendations, but the Supreme Court has said that recommendations cannot be ignored in a democracy. Those are the details here at this point in time. Supreme Court very categorically saying what is the sanctity of recommendations made by us if the government has the last say. Meenakshi joining us for more details here. Meenakshi, this obviously is a very important issue here with regard to vacancy in tribunals, and the Supreme Court very categorically pulling up the centre, saying that you can't just ignore our recommendations.
Well, that's right. Avni will just give a quick perspective about the background of what has led to this. Remember, on two occasions, the Supreme Court had slammed the central government for not filling up vacancies in numerous tribunals across India. Subsequent to that, just hours before the hearing today, the union government informed the Supreme Court as to how it has appointed 84 members to various tribunals since 2020, and there are no recommendations pending with it anymore. Now, this affidavit was in response to a clutch of cases that have cited massive vacancies across several tribunals across the country, which Supreme Court has slammed in the past. So today, the Supreme Court again frowning, like you rightly mentioned, on the fact that recommendations of the top court have not been accepted regarding candidates. So the attorney was at hand to explain the situation on behalf of the government. He went on to state as to how government has the power to not accept these recommendations, and the Chief Justice of India clearly was not impressed with this. He went on to observe, and I quote, "In a democracy, you can't say recommendations can't be accepted. What is the sanctity of recommendations made by us if government has the last say," unquote. So Supreme Court now has gone ahead and given a 2 weeks deadline for the government to sort of like, for the government in this particular issue, and notice has been issued on this plea, which was also filed by Jairam Ramesh, challenging the Tribunals Reform Act. So clearly this is an issue where the government's actions pertaining to even filling up the vacancies in numerous tribunals have struck a discordant note with the top court, because the recommendations made by the Supreme Court have not been responded to adequately by the government of India.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.